Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my videos. Alright, today we're gonna be working on the Honda once again. Today we're gonna be adding a new air filter to this car. Now this car already has a K&N filter, but I want to go ahead and replace it myself. That way I know when the last time it got replaced was. And you're technically supposed to change those every 10,000 miles, so I'm curious to see how bad or how this one looks. But I have the filter right over here next to Toby. As you guys can see, we're gonna go with a K&N high flow filter. Now this is designed to increase horsepower. So in my last video, we went ahead and did a 0 to 60 pull with this car, and we reached an average of 10 seconds. So I'm hoping that once we install this new filter, because it's new and it's clean, we'll be able to get better numbers. But like I said, let's go ahead and swap this bad boy out. There is 2, 4, 6, 8mm bolts holding this bad boy in. I went ahead and sprayed some PB Blast on all of these because they are old and corroded. I didn't do it in the middle one because I didn't want any of that to fall into the actual intake. So let's get that cover off. Alright, we got the filter out. That's how it looks once it's all removed. I eventually do plan on getting an intake for this bad boy, but for now, let's just go ahead and change this filter out. Speaking of, check this bad boy out. That's supposed to be red, and it's black and gray with a little bit of white. And if you pay close attention, you'll notice that it's cracking right here. Alrighty, here is the new one out of the plastic wrapping. There's no cracking right there, like how there is right there. But check this bad boy out. This thing was filthy. Again, very happy that we're gonna be adding a new one on there. I also have this thing right here that it tells me when the service was due or made. So I am gonna go ahead and put one on the window to indicate when the last time this got replaced. But again, check that out. LD. Alright, let's put this bad boy in. Alright, we got the filter in there. Check that out. This is how it looks now that it's back together. Let's go for a drive and hopefully hit a 9-second run. Like I said, the filter is back on the car. But before we start, I want to show you guys the app that I'm going to be using to track my time. Now, the app itself is called FastR. This is how it looks. Once you open it up, it'll allow you to continue with Facebook or continue without logging. And then it automatically tracks your location once you allow it to do so. And then as soon as you hit start, it starts this little timer. And then as soon as you hit 60 miles per hour, this thing will automatically record your time. And this right here are my times with the Honda. This is my best time so far, and I'm trying to get in the 9, so let's see if this filter does anything. Alright, we are now in the streets of Mexico. I'm about to start the app and see how we do. I'm starting the timer now. Ready, set, go. Alright, it looks like we did 10 seconds flat. Let's see if we can do better. Alright, second run. Here we go. Let's go! 9.95. Alright, I'll take that. One last run and then we'll call it a day. But I already got a 9. Let's go! Alright, I'm about do one last pull. Hopefully we can get something better than 9.95, but again, we already got a 9, so let's get it. All right, third run, here we go. We did worse, but we already got a 9. Alright, just for fun, I'm gonna try and do one more. I'm not gonna rev the engine that high this time because I feel like we burned a lot of rubber there, and that's why we didn't move. So let's give this one more go. Timer starts now. Again. I'll take it though. Another 9. Alright, car is now back in the shop. Now I do have my times right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot and show it to you guys. But my best time was 9.95 seconds. So very happy that we were able to get up to the 9s. I'm not gonna lie, I did 3 runs, maybe even 5 outside of the camera. And best believe I was not able to get a 9 with the old nasty filter. But now that we got this new filter, we were able to get 9s twice. So very happy that we were able to do that. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and that is to put this sticker on. Now this one I'm going to put away for now. Once K&N decides to sponsor your boy, I'll go ahead and put it on the car. Just like all the stickers that we get, it's going to go right there. However, this I'm gonna put in my owner's manual. So I'm gonna go ahead, slide this bad boy in there. Nice. I also went ahead and added a service sticker. I filled it out as you guys can see. That way I can keep track of when we did that. So very happy that we got that on there. But like I said, the only thing that's left to do is to add this sticker right here. I went ahead and removed the old one already. Now next time you guys see me, we're probably gonna be changing out the transmission fluid on this car. I already have it over here in the parts cart, but this is what we're gonna add to this bad boy. 2 reasons why I want to do this. One, we're gonna be adding a short throw shifter. We're gonna be banging through gears, so I don't want to go ahead and do that if we don't know when the last time this oil got done. And 2, I'm just doing the maintenance on this car, and transmission fluid is a very important fluid. So I'm sure that the car is gonna like that a lot. But until then, this is Javi from Javi's Productions. Peace out, my friends.